If you're over 60 and you think building muscle is no longer possible, let me ask you something honestly. What if the real problem isn't your age, but the way you've been told to exercise? What if I told you that in the next 3 weeks, without any equipment, without going to a gym, without hurting your joints, you can wake up feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident in your body than you've felt in years? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and, more importantly, why it actually works at your age. Now listen carefully, because this is important. After 60, your body doesn't stop responding to exercise. That's a myth. What changes is how your muscles respond. Heavy weights, fast movements, and high-impact workouts can actually do more harm than good. But slow, controlled bodyweight exercises? Those send a powerful signal to your muscles that says, we still need strength. And when your muscles get that signal regularly, they respond. Not in months, not in years, but in weeks. I've seen people in their 60s, 70s, even late 70s regain muscle, improve balance, and stand taller just by doing the right movements consistently. No fancy equipment, no supplements, just smart, safe exercise. And today I'm going to walk you through 5 exercises you can start today. If you stick with them for 3 weeks, you will feel stronger. Your legs will feel more stable. Your arms will feel more solid. Even everyday things like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs will feel easier. Before we start, let me say this clearly. You don't need to push through pain. You don't need to exhaust yourself. Muscle growth after 60 happens through quality, not quantity. Slow movements, good posture, and breathing. If you can give me 15 to 20 minutes a day, that's enough. Let's begin with the first exercise, and this one alone can change how strong your lower body feels. I want you to imagine a chair behind you. Not a low sofa, not a deep couch, just a normal chair. You're going to stand in front of it with your feet about shoulder width apart. Now here's the key. Instead of dropping down quickly, you're going to lower yourself slowly, as if you're trying not to make any noise when you sit. Take about 4 seconds to go down. Lightly touch the chair, and then stand back up, pressing through your heels. This movement works your thighs, your hips, and your glutes, which are some of the biggest muscle groups in your body. When these muscles get stronger, everything improves. Balance, posture, walking speed, even knee stability. If standing back up feels hard, that's okay. Use your hands lightly on your thighs at first. Over the days, try to rely on them less. Do this movement slowly for 8 to 10 repetitions. Rest, breathe, then repeat for another round. That's it. No jumping, no strain, just controlled strength. Within a week, you'll notice it feels easier. By week 3, you'll feel power in your legs again. Now let's move to an exercise that builds your upper body, especially your arms, chest, and shoulders without stressing your joints. And this is where many people over 60 go wrong, so pay attention. We're not doing floor push-ups. We're doing wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall at chest height, a little wider than your shoulders. Step your feet back slightly so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Now slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Again, take about 3 to 4 seconds going in. Then gently push yourself back to the starting position. What matters here is control. Feel your arms working. Feel your chest engage. Keep your body straight, not sagging in the middle. Breathe out as you push away from the wall. Do 10 to 12 slow repetitions. If that feels too easy after a week or 2, step your feet a little farther back. That increases the challenge without adding risk. Over 3 weeks, this exercise alone can noticeably firm up your arms and shoulders. Now let's talk about something many people ignore, but it's absolutely essential for muscle building after 60. Your core. Not six-pack abs. I'm talking about the deep muscles that support your spine, protect your back, and help you move safely. When your core is weak, your body compensates in all the wrong ways. For this next exercise, you're going to sit tall on a chair. Feet flat on the floor. Hands resting on your thighs. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. Now gently tighten your stomach as if you're bracing for a light cough. Not sucking in hard, just firm. From this position, slowly lift one foot a few inches off the floor. Hold it there for 3 seconds. Lower it down. Then switch to the other foot. That's 1 repetition. This looks simple, but it's incredibly effective. It works your core, your hips, and even your thighs. And because you're seated, it's very safe. Aim for 10 lifts per leg. Move slowly. Stay tall. Breathe normally. Over time, this exercise improves balance and helps prevent falls. And yes, it helps build muscle too, especially in areas that support everyday movement. Now let's move to your back muscles, which are crucial for posture and strength. A strong back helps you stand taller, reduces neck and shoulder pain, and makes your arms stronger too. Stand or sit tall. Extend your arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height. Now imagine you're pulling something toward your chest. Slowly bend your elbows and pull your arms back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold that squeeze for 2 seconds, then slowly extend your arms forward again. You can imagine pulling a rope or opening a heavy curtain. The key is to feel the muscles between your shoulder blades working. Keep your shoulders relaxed, not shrugged up. Do 12 to 15 slow repetitions. This exercise counteracts years of slouching and helps restore strength to muscles that often weaken with age. Now for the 5th exercise, and this one is incredibly important for both muscle and balance. We're working the calves and lower legs, which play a huge role in stability and walking confidence. Stand behind a chair and lightly hold the backrest for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise up onto your toes. Take 2 seconds going up. Hold at the top for 1 second. Then slowly lower your heels back down. That slow lowering is where the muscle-building magic happens. Your calves work hard to control the movement. Do 12 to 15 repetitions. If you feel unsteady, that's okay. Use the chair. Over time, you'll rely on it less. Stronger calves mean better balance, better circulation, and stronger legs overall. Now here's how you put all of this together. You don't need to do everything at once if that feels overwhelming. Start with 1 round of each exercise. That might take you 15 minutes. Do this routine at least 5 days a week. Consistency matters more than intensity. In the first week, your goal is simply to learn the movements and feel comfortable. In the second week, you'll notice the exercises feel smoother. You might feel a mild soreness, and that's okay. It means your muscles are responding. In the third week, that's when strength really starts to show up. Standing feels easier. Carrying groceries feels lighter. Even your posture improves without you trying. Let me be very clear about something. Muscle building after 60 isn't about pushing harder. It's about showing up regularly. Your muscles respond beautifully to gentle, repeated signals. And these exercises send exactly the right signal. Also, don't underestimate rest. Sleep is when your muscles repair and grow. Drink water. Eat enough protein if you can. But even without changing your diet much, these exercises can still make a noticeable difference. If at any point something causes sharp pain, stop. Adjust. This is your body, your pace. The goal is strength for life, not exhaustion for one day. If you've stayed with me this far, I want you to do something right now. Commit to 3 weeks. Just 3. Put a reminder on your phone. Do these exercises consistently, and then notice how you feel. And if you want more routines like this, ones designed specifically for people over 60 that protect your joints and actually work, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post videos every week to help you stay strong, independent, and confident in your body. Remember this. Age does not decide your strength. Your habits do. Start today, move gently, and give your muscles a reason to stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.